I've heard every word in the book.
But I was desperate. So was the person that booked me.
For a job.
So was the person that booked me.
You guys go take a look at it.
Okay.
Depends how you hold it.
It's a banana.
Okay,
Who knows what this is?
depends how you hold it.
Banana.
It's a curved straw. Okay, what else?
Boomerang. It's a banana.
Oh, boomerang. That's good. Yeah, I like that. Okay. Okay. Where's Michelle?
Smile.
Okay, Michelle, come down. Come down here.
Thin balloon.
Make sure you don't
I was gonna say a smile. Maddie, let me see it. No, no, yes.
Do not embarrass her.
Never. Okay. Here's the last question. How old is Michelle?
50.
Half of 100.
What was that again?
49. 50.
Half of 100.
She's turning 50 in a couple months or something.
Somebody say 29?
I said 28.
She's 29. Don't you guys know that after 29 it doesn't matter?
I'm 29.
Okay, a quarter of 100.
Okay.
Yeah.
Michelle, you're so old. Who said oh? What the? What was that?
Your turn to win.
Michelle, you're so old, your birth certificate has no Roman numerals on it. You're so old, the only McDonald's that was around was the first Prime Minister of Canada.
Oh, Johnny.
You're so old that everything you had 10 years ago is still the same. It only hangs lower. What? You're so old the key on Benjamin Franklin's kite string was the first key to your apartment. You're so old when you went to school there was no history class. You're so old you were a waitress at the Last Supper. I'm having a moment.
And you know what the best part? All my brothers and sisters are older.
We're not talking about that. Where'd I leave off?
Last supper. Last supper.
Oh, yeah, Last
Waitress.
Supper,
It
right.
might be yours.
Okay, yeah. Hang on, I'm trying to think of the other ones. Give me a moment. What the heck were the other ones? What the were the other ones?
Do you need someone to cue you?
No. I don't have any cues. Okay, I said McDonald, yeah.
Yeah.
Said the
Where's your
Last
fuzzy
Supper.
little book?
Yeah. It's in my, I put it back in my pants. I only take it out once and that's it. It's done after that. So,
At a certain age, this is what happens, eh?
never mind. I wouldn't know. Okay,
Want me to
first
come back when
certificate,
you're
it's got
ready?
Roman numerals on it. I said
we
that
did
one.
that, yeah.
History class, yeah, that was
Yep.
gone.
Yeah.
Okay. Bible. Yeah.
What Bible?
Well, you know what? I think that's about it.
Okay, good.
You never said the Bible one. You never said the
Bible one. I'll leave the last
You
What's
never
that?
said the Bible one.
Well, the Last Supper.
I didn't say the Bible one?
You said Last Supper.
The Last Supper, yeah, that's what I
That's the
meant.
Bible.
Yeah, well, at least you guys are paying attention. Stay in school.
But I dropped out last
Be
year.
just like me.
Oh, okay,
I think
as long as
I'm
it's still
calling
a
you back up.
Yeah, yeah. thanks.
Okay, anyways, that's kind of about it, everybody. Apparently, I have to do one song. Is my sound system set up?
It is. You have to turn it on.
Okay, good. I can do that. All right, everybody, go back there. I've got about another 5 minutes, and then I'm out of your hair, so to speak.